how to easily add payment methods to your Shopify store. That's exactly what I'll show you in this video, so stay tuned. Alright, so after logging into your Shopify account, in order to get started, you want to click on your store name right here. And then once you're on this page, you want to click on settings in the bottom left corner of the page. And then you want to click on payments right here. Click on that. And then once this page is loaded up, you can see there's multiple different options. The first one is Shopify Payments, so that's the payment provider directly built into Shopify. You can use that if it's available to you. Then there are also other payment methods that you can add via this section. There's PayPal that you can add directly without a third party. And then there's also Amazon that you can also add directly without a third party. And then there's also other payment methods that you can add by clicking on this button that require a third party account, a third party payment provider in order to add. And then there's also this option that says manual payment methods, and you can add a manual payment method like a bank deposit, a money order, a cash on delivery, or even a custom one here. Alright, so if you want to use Shopify Payments, you can just click on activate right here, and you can click on learn more in order to see the conditions. And this might be different depending on the country you're in. In fact, it probably is. So definitely check out this page for yourself. And then if you want to add PayPal, you can just click on activate PayPal and it'll run you through these steps. You'll have to create a PayPal account and then link it to Shopify, and then the same thing for Amazon Pay. And then if you want to add a different payment method that is not listed here, you can just click on that button and then you can just search for that payment method that you want to add, or you can just choose one here. Let's say I want to add Bitcoin. They do support Bitcoin. Or maybe you want to add Klarna or something like that. You can just type that in or just choose one of the ones that show up here. Okay, I'm also add MasterCard. And then as you can see, it filters out the payment providers, the third-party payment providers that accept all of these payment methods. So for example, this one supports all of them. And then I can click on activate in order to connect that payment provider. So let me do that real quick. Click on there, then it gives you some information about that payment provider. You can go to their website in order to check them out. And then once you've made your decision, you can just click on connect in order to connect them. You will probably have to create an account on the third-party payment provider and then connect that account. But yeah, that's how it usually works. Okay, so let's go back and then let me also show you. They can also search by payment provider. So you might want to add something like ePay. So you can just type that in and then find it here. Or maybe you want to add Klarna like so. So you could choose Klarna right here directly and activate it there. Alright, so that's quickly how you can add payment methods to your Shopify store. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and comment down below if it worked. I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!